blink and it's over.
2, 1, fire!
But what a ride. Jon Weiss hurtles through the air at 65 miles an hour. It's a short commute, only 100 feet, till he hits the net. And he's made this trip more than 4,000 times.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
And the perfect flight is looking for the net to the last possible moment and then tucking your head and landing on your back and then doing a backflip. I really enjoy it. I mean, I enjoy going to work. How many people can say that?
Woo! And this is not a skill they teach you in school. Jon discovered his talent as a kid on New York's Long Island.
I enjoy it.
Fire!
Live entertainment, a person really being shot out of a cannon. No wires, no camera tricks, no nothing. I'm doing a major stunt on a daily basis, sometimes 3 times a day.
And it's a total high.
It's great. I love it.
Gaze in amazement as our heroic friend, New York's own jumpin' Jon Weiss, attempts to survive the ultimate circus challenge. Our humongous, hair-raising, human-shooting cannon of chaos.
Does it hurt when you come out of that cannon?
Yes, it hurts when I get shot out of the cannon. My back is killing me, my knees. No, actually, it's not too bad. I'm ready for it. I wear knee braces and back braces, and I lock every muscle in my body.
Are you ready? Jon, are you ready? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! Ladies and gentlemen, our hilarious high-flying human cannonball, New York's own jumpin' Jon Weiss.
Way to go, Jon. Very impressive. Nice job.
Out of all those blast-offs, about 500 or so a year, Jon Weiss has sprained a finger and an ankle. And that's it.
I love it. I truly enjoy it.